Hi guys, welcome back on my new video. I'm very excited to have you here. Welcome if you are new. My name is Margot alias margavalux. I am French, I live in Spain, and I decided to create with my partner Vincent our own website, bamluxurystore.com, where we sell you luxury bags and accessories. And otherwise, I do also Sunday video where I talk mostly about luxury bags, of course. This is my huge and very expensive passion. I'm going to present you all the items from tonight. Every item that you see behind me are all normally still on the website. These are the only items left on the website for sale. So the first bag that I really want to show you is this amazing Neverfull. You loved the one I released 2 weeks ago because we worked as a backdrop. So we do backdrop every Wednesday at a certain hour. So do not hesitate to subscribe to the newsletter. This is another Neverfull that I have to sell. This one is Damier Ebene, and this one is in way better condition than the previous one that we already sold out. It was sold out like so fast, so thank you guys. This one is very, very good on the outside. You have every photo on the website. You have every link in description. But yeah, this one is in a very gorgeous condition. The only thing about this one on the outside is here on next to the strap. It starts to damage a little bit, but it's the leather that is like peeling lightly. But otherwise, very good condition. And inside is almost perfect, but we have a little stain on the inside. But otherwise, we have a very good condition. We do not sell it with a little pouch. Sorry guys, girls. But otherwise, amazing condition for this one. And the price also is quite amazing. It's 1,000 euro. I will also add on the screen the US price and the UK price, guys. So do not hesitate. We ship worldwide. We already ship to the US plenty of times, to anywhere, to UK, to Brazil, to Canada, to lots of places. I have another little item. Now it's an SLG, so this is a Chanel wallet. This is a Cambon line. The outside is white and black and white. And we have the white sign that has sign of wear. As you can see, it's a bit dirty, so here it is. And the back of it is very good condition. Corners are actually very good, like very, very good. And I'm gonna open it with you guys. So inside is bright pink, but very good condition. You have plenty of spots for cards, you have pockets. We are going to open together the coin section that is a bit dirty as usual on this kind of little used item. And the price for this one is quite good, I would say. We have a price of 289 euro. But yeah, very, very good one. I love it. It's very nice. I think it's gonna sold out very quick. New limited edition Lady Dior. I'm quite excited because I hope you guys are going to love it. We have for this one authenticity card. It's a 2015 bag. It was produced in 2015. We have the strap for this one. It's gorgeous. So it's a very specific one, as you can see. Condition on the outside looks very good. You have some protection here. So it's actually why the bag is such in a good condition on the outside. And all the leather parts here are patent leather. It's a white, but a cream white, I would say. The strap has like a bit of stain here and here. I will try to clean it with some French product that I have. Otherwise, we still have also the plastic protection on the hardware, guys. This is quite amazing, but you still have a plastic protection, so the hardware must be very, very good condition. It's quite amazing, actually. Okay, the handles now, you have some little stain, but it's very, very little. On this part, it has like some little damage here, and on the inside, like here. But otherwise, nothing that big. Okay, now I will show you like more the inside. So you have the zipper one because it's not a brand new one. Here is a completely white leather, and inside the bag now, it's quite crazy. Inside the bag is gray leather. So it's beautiful because the bag is, I would say, green, yellow, and gray. So it remembers the bag. So inside is completely gray. And here, the zipper pocket, you have patent leather, exactly the same color as here. So it's very beautiful, actually. And the price is also even more beautiful. The price is 1,719 euro. quite a very good price for this beautiful Lady Dior. This is a limited edition, so you won't see anyone wearing this bag. Now I have another small SLG. It's from Louis Vuitton monogram canvas. Sara wallet. It's beautiful with button impression. The outside of the wallet looks very good. The canvas actually is in very good condition. I have nothing to say. Button impression has little marks, but otherwise the sides have little like damage, but it's very little. We are going to open it together. We have plenty of spots, very good condition. The coin case, like the coin section, coin pocket, has some scratches and little marks, but it's nothing that big. And concerning the price for this one, it's actually super low. I could have increased way more. It's 159 euro for this wallet. I know, this is insane. I have a bag that I clearly love and that I never had in my backdrop, so here it is. You can welcome with me this amazing Celine Triomphe bag, but this is the old version, vintage version with the carriage. So it's beautiful. It really remembers me like the Hermès Constance or the Métis from Louis Vuitton, concerning the size and the type of bag. It's a very dark blue, a navy blue, I would say. You have this type of Celine leather on the Triomphe bag, but we have such a very good price compared to the new ones or the Hermès Constance, of course. So this one has little marks, but still it's in very good condition. On the back also little marks, but nothing that big. Under the bag is quite good. We had the strap. You can change the size of the strap. You still have like 3 holes, but I'm not sure you can wear it as a crossbody because it was not meant to be. So you can see how it looks like on my shoulder. But yeah, clearly it's a very good bag. I will try now to show it to you how it opens. I love it. So you open like this, then up, you remove this. It's beautiful. I love how it is thinked. So inside is quite huge. You have very different pocket, very good condition. You have some marks, but otherwise such a good one. Like this is huge. You can use it like for an everyday use. I will actually advise it too. The price for this one is 650 euro. Very good price. Now I have this amazing Keepall size 60 with the strap. I know, so it's very huge. I'm not gonna be able to show you exactly and properly. You have the photos on the website any other way, but we have the strap. Condition is good, very good. We have padlock and keys. We have all the accessories. These are sold apart now, by the way. But yeah, the leather has signs of marks, but that's fine. Under the bag, you have signs of use. Obviously, this is a Keepall, but it will last forever. Like this bag is just insane. And we have the very good price. Inside also is very good. You have every photo on the website. Everything is on the description of this video. By the way, do not hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd be very happy. And this way you can follow everything and you can stay up to date to my videos. But yeah, the price for this one is 680 euro. Very good price. I know you guys wanted one, so here it is. And the last but not the least is a very beautiful cashmere scarf from Louis Vuitton. It's beautiful. You have 2 sides, I would say. Like the normal side would be this color, but you can also wear it with this side. Condition is amazing. You have no stain on it. It's really beautiful and it is so freaking soft. Like it is amazing. And the price, I had my tag Louis Vuitton here. And the price is 320 euro and it's 100% cashmere. It's very soft. I love it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I will see you for another video on Sunday and next Wednesday for a new backdrop. Happy backdrop day. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bisous.